Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we got this 99 Honda Civic. Picked this thing up for 500 bucks. As you can see, bumper's not in the best shape. Does have a little rust on it. A little dent back here. Rear bumper is cracked. Got a little bit more rust. Just picked this thing up as is. Didn't even go and look at it first, just got it. Show you guys why it was only 500 bucks. Cool thing is it did come with two starters, an old one and a brand new one. Let me get this thing powered up. Does need a battery as well. I swear every single Honda I see have these little Autocraft batteries in them. It is extremely dirty in here, so it's definitely gonna need a detail, but you guys probably already hear it. Definitely knocking. I love Hondas. Yeah, it's definitely knocking. So new engine is gonna be on the way. Like I said before, this is an automatic, unfortunately. We're probably gonna keep it like that too. This is gonna be a little quick flip, see what we could do, stay in budget, what we could sell it for. 3 out of the 4 tires are actually pretty good. Passenger front needs a new one, but I guess first step is going to be good cleaning on the inside. That's for sure. fucking gross. Disgusting. Got the seats out. Got to clip that inside cleaned up. So let's see what's next. All right, y'all. This is going to be where we end part 1 of the video. Just a little update. Got most of the interior out, minus a little bit of the carpet. I cut it out. I've deemed this carpet unsavable. There's a little water underneath it. No rust or anything, so pretty good, but definitely gonna be getting a new carpet. But yeah, so this is it so far. This is just part 1 of the video, so tune in for the next time. Make sure if you guys like the video, you like, comment, subscribe, and appreciate it. Thanks, y'all.